This male WA5UTK, and getting ready to mount a NMO dual band antenna on a Ford F-150 extended cab pickup. And here's what I'll be using. One, we got our drill, and then this is the hole saw. The NMO mount requires a 3/4 inch hole, so I've got a 3/4 inch hole saw that we'll be using. And this is the NMO cable connector, and then the PL259 coax cable connector that'll be used. And we'll get started with the installation here in just a bit. And here's the pickup that we will be putting the antenna on. As you can see, it's an extended cab Ford pickup. Okay, my brother Tim's going to be helping out with this. First thing we're going to do is take the cargo light panel out, and we'll be putting the antenna right up in front of the cargo light assembly. Okay, we've removed the cargo light assembly, and so we have a little bit of clearance underneath. We've made some marks on here of where we're going to mount, and we'll come up just about 3/4 to an inch forward of where the cargo light assembly ends, and we'll show this on the other side of the hole. Okay, we now have the drill positioned, getting ready to go. Go for it.
Looks centered enough.
Okay, and we have our hole that's been drilled. And one thing that I do whenever I've drilled the hole like this is I'll put my screwdriver in here and I'll run it around like so. And that's to remove any burrs that might be there on the edge. And see if I can show what it. I can't quite see the hole from here. I just can't get the camera position right. Okay, now we're feeding the coax through the hole up top. Okay, the NMO has been positioned in. Now we're doing our tightening of the nut. When you bring it around to where it squeaks, then you know that it's tight. Position the antenna on the mount. This little dual band 2-meter 440 antenna. Now to run the coax. Well, what we're doing to run the coax is we will come in, we will run through this slot here, and we'll come out at the top of the headliner. And as my brother is helping me with pulling this cable, okay, as you can see, we're pulling the cable in. Okay, that's good. We've got the coax inside the cab. What we've done is we've run alongside the edge of the headliner, and then we're going around the trim up here at the top, and then for going down the side, I'll show you that in just a sec. Okay, what we've done here, yep, I just pulled up. What we've done here is we've removed the trim, or actually just moved it out of its resting place, and the coax will just slide right down in this track, and we'll lay down inside of here. Okay, the coax cable has been run. It's been trimmed to size. Connector's been put on, and that's how it looks sitting on the back of the radio. For the top of the truck, got the cargo light assembly back in, and the antenna mounted. And you can see how we came out size-wise, fitting-wise. Everything worked just fine. I've already checked the antenna on the analyzer, and checked very good on both VHF and 440. So, hope this info has been of some help to you on how to mount a NMO antenna onto a Ford truck. Of course, this could be used, this info could be used on any installation as far as that goes, any vehicle. You just happen to have this particular truck to do it on. Thanks for watching. 7.3 is LWA5 UTK.